I wore the big jersey so that my belly doesn't show. Now that I'm pregnant, I just been eating a lot. We're back. Get it together, girl.
And the new place.
We got a new place. We're roommates. We're home.
This is
new
home.
life, new us. Super Bowl. One of the biggest days of the year. And we got the snacks for it, man. We're just gonna kind of go through, talk about what we made, pick our favorite, eat some of it.
Or all of it.
All of it. Shh. We got salty, we got sweet. We got a mix of both. Buffalo chicken dip over here. Got some buffalo sauce. We make some ranch, some cream cheese. Threw it in the oven. We made red velvet cake pops. We got brownie bites. The 7-layer dip. I know you can't miss that. Got the deviled eggs. Can't go wrong. That's a staple piece right there, guys. Staple piece.
Got our little smokies that were so unbelievably easy to make.
Got the Southwest little egg rolls. Got some sriracha ranch to pair with it. You already know that's Flavor Town.
Absolutely.
Oof.
So I need these boxes empty. So I'm gonna take all this soda out.
You! I want to hold you! I want to hold you! Let me hold you! Okay, sounds great. We're dancing in my living room. And oh, come my fist. When I say I'm only playing, but the truth is this. I've never seen a mouth that I would kill to kiss.
So now comes the cutting of the boxes. Okay, so this is how tall the front piece is going to be. So I marked that, and then I'm going to do this diagonal line right here. There's probably an easier way to do this, but... What you doing in here?
Browning my beef. Beef browning. Yeah, this is the coolest thing ever. Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
This is a meat breaker upper.
That's the technical term.
Meat snatcher. Meat separator.
Okay, so what are you doing? You're boiling some chicken.
I'm boiling some chicken for the buffalo chicken dip. And then I'll shred it when it's done. This is my ground beef for the 7-layer dip that we're doing. And I'm making the cream cheese frosting for the cake pops.
Oh my gosh, you're just multitasking over here.
Hey, somebody's got to. I'm totally doing it.
And it's accurate. Okay, walk us through this buttercream real quick.
Okay, the cream cheese frosting. What I did is I had softened cream cheese, and then I put some butter, and I kind of softened that up, and then I added a teaspoon of vanilla and 2.5 cups of powdered powdered sugar.
Yum! Oh my gosh. This is amazing! I'm so excited. Okay, so now I'm gonna attach all of the stadium pieces together with some hot glue. How are you doing these little smokies?
So I am melting grape jelly, barbecue sauce. I think we chose
We got Sweet Baby Ray's
Baby Ray's, yes.
regular, I think. So that's all that's in there right now?
Yeah, I'm just trying to kind of breaking down the jelly in there. Oh, that does look good. It's kind of like melting. It's doing its thing.
And then is this all? And then you're just gonna add the little smokies to it?
Boom! Yes.
That's so easy. How much grape jelly did you put in?
I did 18 ounces of barbecue and grape jelly.
Oh, equal parts.
Equal parts.
Good to know.
Shredded the chicken and then I added the buffalo
How much buffalo sauce?
I'd say like 3/4, but I did about a cup.
Okay. And then a whole block of cream cheese, right?
Yes.
Yum.
I'll add some like ranch to it and some cheese, and we'll melt it in the oven. Tell me your flavor, Ashley. What's your favorite thing?
My favorite, oh my gosh. It's really hard to decide, but probably the layer dip because that guacamole is fire.
I do what I can.
It is amazing. Carolyn outdid herself.
We outdid ourselves.
Those cake pops might be my number 2 because they are delicious.
Red velvet, baby.
Obviously, do you want to bite into one and show them?
Do I want to bite into one?
And show them the inside because it's not just Chiefs on the outside. It's Chiefs on the inside too. So on our end zones, we got our queso and our salsa. Yeah, our buffalo dip over here. We got some vegetables too if you're into that kind of thing. We got our regular tortilla chips and our tortilla chips with lime because you have to get the lime. Got our popcorn, pretzel sticks, our voodoo chips, Doritos, sweet popcorn, Twix popcorn. Do you guys tell that like the end zones are like Chiefs colors? I mean, come on. It's like we planned it or something.
I make the sound every time I do it? I don't understand what I'm doing.
Oh no.